Okay, this is Mr. K with some more science facts. I'm thinking about how would we increase our own biochemical operations, and there are different levels of biochemical operations that are taking place, biochemical reactions that are taking place within our body. We could start off with the neurochemistry within our brain, which is from our brain, our spinal cord, our central nervous system, and our peripheral nervous system, which spreads out towards our arms and legs. Okay, that's the starting point. There's also adenine triphosphate, which is used in some type of production, I think oxygen production or something, some energy production within our body. Then we got the Krebs cycle, which is the starting point, acetyl coenzyme A, and our two main boosts in the Krebs cycle, which is NADPH and FADPH, which is nicotinic dinucleotide phosphate, flavulide dinucleotide phosphate. And then we have our macromolecule biochemical reactions, biomolecular reactions, which is like monosaccharides attached to monosaccharides make polysaccharides. Attached to polysaccharides makes fructose. So sugar production, energy, glucose production within our system. Then we got amino acids and polypeptides. Then we got lipids with dendrites and triglycerides. Basically, there's also 1,148 plus biological processes which are taking place every millisecond within our body. Then we also have our hormonal chemical processes as well. Our glands produce hormones which are used in further biomolecular and biochemical reactions and productions within our system. Our activation sites, our lock and key mechanisms within our serotonin, our dopamine level production. So let's think of these facts. All those levels of biological processes and macromolecule reactions and other energy reproduction cycles. If we were to consider every stage of those biological processes, if we developed an actium bacterium, or or we were able to enhance every level of biochemical or macromolecule reactions by inputting an artificially induced vaccine or enhancer within our own biological processes, maybe we could enhance our own biomolecular or macromolecule reactions to become more efficient. So just think about it this way. Say our Krebs cycle, we enhance our acetyl coenzyme A, and with acetic acid to make salicylic acid to NADPH. Maybe we enhance the entire Krebs cycle through an actium bacterium, which is inputted into our Krebs cycle to enhance biomolecular or biochemical reactions within our own Krebs cycle, enhancing our own chemical reproduction activities in chemical conversion to produce energy at a more efficient manner. And maybe we can enhance our own hormonal glands, our glands which are producing hormones. Maybe we can make them more reactive, more versatile, more efficient within our hormonal reproduction cycle. Maybe our neurochemistry, our brain, our spinal cord, we can add some type of artificial enhancer to increase neurochemical transmission from the brain, the spinal cord, towards the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, enhancing the biochemical transfers amongst synaptic nodes and different parts of the brain, hippocampus, and other parts of the brain. And maybe by enhancing our nervous structures. I mean, there's ways through ultrasound wavelengths, which could be put on our central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, our brain, our spinal cord. It can enhance nerve structures, and also inputting a neurochemical booster could enhance our own nerve impulses and transmissions and recycling points within activation sites and lock and key mechanisms, enhancing serotonin production, enhancing dopamine production, enhancing the recycling centers within our brains to achieve a more chemical balance within our brain. It could be used to prevent mental health problems or mentally involuntary, voluntary mechanisms in our body which might be damaged. It could improve Alzheimer's and cerebral palsy and other nerve related problems. We could enhance our own biological processes by putting a booster in. Do you know what I mean, to increase the efficiency of our own biological processes? We could also improve our ATP production, adenine triphosphate production, by putting an actin bacterium or artificial booster within our own ATP production cycle. You know what I mean? I think it's 24 ATP, 48 adenine triphosphate molecules, which are used in some type of energy conversion within our biological processes. Maybe we could boost our macromolecule production. I mean, enhancing the monosaccharide upon monosaccharide reactions to make polysaccharides, and fructose and amino acids being enhanced to create polypeptides, which are more efficient within the body, or lipids enhanced for greater storage within our body, and maybe dendrites improved as well, and basically increasing our macromolecule production processes, even in terms of triglycerides, which are fat. I think some type of fat cell or energy cell molecule in our body. Maybe we could increase the efficiency of our organelle cells, like a microvilli, Golgi apparatus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, the nucleus within our cells, and also what else? There's other organelles in there as well. That, I mean, maybe you could artificially boost the organelle cells to increase efficiency within our own cell structures and cell production. Basically, as I'm saying, we have different biological processes all through our body, many in different stages, which are used in controlling our body, or enhancing, or allowing to enhance our own chemical processing capabilities. Because we take in chemicals from the environment. Our air is not just natural; it's not natural oxygen. We have combinations of nitro dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. We have other, like methane in the air. We take in a combination from within the air, which we breathe in through our lungs, and we use in energy conversion in terms of anaerobic and aerobic respiration. So as I said, increasing the efficiency of every level of neurochemical to biological to biomolecular, macromolecule reactions, hormonal gland reactions and productions. If we increase all reaction and production facilities within our body, we could have a much more enhanced body, enhanced capability within our own bodies, making us not supermen, but making us biologically more efficient within our own body structures, our own body, our own epithelial structure. I mean, even the cell structure, which is epithelial, connective, muscular, nerve. If we enhance all four cells which make up a tissue, and enhance the tissues that make up an organ structure, and enhance all the neurochemical to biomolecule to biomolecular to macromolecule to hormonal production within our glands, we could have a way more efficient body, efficient structure. We were able to process things at a faster rate. It would make people becoming diseased less of a problem, because we will be more able to deal with diseases in the future if we had a more perfect, orientated, as I said, energy reproduction and biomolecular, biochemical, macromolecule cell structures, and processing and recycling and energy conversion systems in place. Thank you very much for this attention, and I hope you enjoyed my science lecturing on this video. Bye. Mr. K out. 3 strikes gone.